Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're just going to have a quick whiz around the garden. It's been snowing and hailing all day today. It is now just gone 6:10. So hi monkey. Hi Paul, hi monkey. Just check the date. It is Thursday, 31st of March. Just want to check round here first. Get the light on. There we go. Round here is my plug begonia. Plug begonias from last year. Beautiful red colour those. And those, if I'm not mistaken, those are petunias that have self-seeded. So I cannot wait to grow those. They're absolutely amazing. Really pleased with those. And here's one of my petunias from last year. The smell is absolutely outstanding. See all the way around there. That is a really nice big plant, that. Plenty of cutting material there as well. That is going to fill one basket up just on its own. Come up here, we have dianthus there and 10-week stocks. They're all looking really healthy. And then over there we have gypsophilia, looking really nice. Lemon balm, my dahlias and dahlia cuttings. Potatoes just down there that are just starting to come through, just if you can see those, which is great. Here we have, just move that out of the way. Here we have monkey, hi monkey, hi Paul. Here we have rosemary, parsley and some mint. Here's my dahlias that I took out and divided. And then we have some back there, there's some dahlia cuttings that have been nipped out, and as you can see they are starting to come out beautifully. Thicken up and be nice little plants those. Here we have calendullias. Here we have calendullias and Echinaceas. They forgot to be watered, but I've just watered them now. I've got a nice viola there, and Echinaceas there. This is one of my begonia cuttings that is starting to send out some roots at the bottom. I don't know if you can see those. Then here we have Echinaceas. These are plug plants from Wilco. Yeah, look at the flower on that already. I'll nip that one out. That needs watering as well. Don't let that dry out. Put that in there. Just fit in there in my pot overnight. Take that out tomorrow. And beautiful petunia there, midnight something. Then we have marigolds here, cornflowers, and lupins. Then we have these are my violas here. Then underneath we have some freesias and some more delphiniums. Just come round here, first of my hanging baskets, which is looking really well. These ceilings on the edge are starting to thicken up a little bit. And this one, I just took it down to water and I snapped one of the wires and it went down here everywhere, so I've had to replant all this. So I'm going to clean it up tomorrow. It's a bit of a mess, as you can see. As you come down here, we have the Bascum Snow Maiden there, some cornflowers at the back, some petunias and some pelargoniums. These are all cuttings that I've saved from last year. These haven't cost me a penny. Takes a little bit of time. Then we have some Chinese radishes, some spring onions at the back there, mixed in with a few dahlias. Then we have Rebecca at the back there, petunias here. Oh, in this beautiful plant from last year, this carnation. It smells absolutely fine. In here we have two begonia cuttings, some begonia tubers at the back there that are just coming through nicely. A couple of tomato plants. And then I forgot what these are. Planted those a few weeks ago, soaked in some water overnight and they've shot up. But here, pelargoniums at the back there, tomatoes at the front. They've just been watered, haven't been watered for a few days. Pelargoniums are all in flower, a nice fuchsia there. Forgot what these are, but these are Delphomia floribundia, a ground cover plant, and I thought these were dying, but they've come back really well. There's some cosmos there, beautiful begonia, show begonia there, and some dahlias, so that's about it. Some potatoes are just chipping, ready to, I'll be planting these shortly. Get some nice chits on them. We come round here and back again to the start. So yeah, that's a quick whiz around my garden, a quick look at what's going on in my greenhouse, sorry. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. So bye monkey, bye Paul. Have a nice day, folks. Please subscribe and like. Please stay safe. Thank you for watching, everybody, and bye.